Hey guys, welcome back for another fun tutorial. Today I'll be using Cricut's Infusible Ink to press onto an acrylic blank for a beautiful nameplate. This project was so much fun to make because it's for my daughter's preschool teacher. This is my first time experimenting with infusible ink outside of fabric, so it was neat to see how the project would turn out. First, I'm going to wipe down the acrylic blank with a lint-free cloth. When using infusible ink or any iron-on material, you'll want to make sure that you're using some kind of pressing mat or a folded towel. Now I'm just going to line up my design onto my blank. Then, using Cricut's heat-resistant tape, I tape the image down so it won't move or shift during my press. I have a piece of cardstock underneath my project to tape onto. And now I'm ready to press. I'm going to press at 400 degrees for 30 seconds. Remember, when using infusible ink, to always use a piece of butcher paper over your project. You don't want to use parchment paper or Teflon sheet because it can contain traces of silicone. Remember, when you press at such a high heat setting that your project is going to be very hot when you're finished pressing. So give it just a few minutes to cool off. Then I'm going to use tweezers to peel off the transfer sheet. And I was absolutely amazed at the outcome. The stand came without any paint or stain treatment, so I wanted to add just a little pop of color against the pink. I'm adding plain acrylic white paint to a baby wipe, and this is what's called the baby wipe method. It is so super fast and easy. You just simply put it onto the baby wipe, paint your project, and it'll dry super quickly and is so easy. Now I'll place my acrylic blank into the stand and my project is finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial with me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video if it was helpful, and until next time, thanks guys.